Hello everyone, my name is Dawlet. Welcome to my channel. Here we study Turkmen language and literature, and I am Turkmen language and literature teacher. I have an experience teaching Turkmen language in foreign groups. I have many students, and I developed the easier way to study Turkmen and to speak Turkmen. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and before starting I would like to remind you to watch all the videos from the first until the last, because if you skip the previous videos, unfortunately you will not understand the next videos. Let's get started. Today we are going to study present simple tense, Häzirki, zaman in Turkmen language. What is present simple? Häzirki zaman, we use the suffixes of present simple Häzirki zaman qo'shilmalarni after the verbs. So let's not waste time and get started. This is the table of how we make the present simple, how we use it. Suffixes of present tense: verb plus yar plus personal suffix. What does it mean? Men, then, ol, biz, olar. These are the pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Barlık. This is the plus, that means positive. Yokluk. This is the negative. And yokluk, spoken form. Gepleşik dilde. Yokluk in a spoken form, in a gepleşik dilde, it's a different than the yokluk in a written form. So the formula is like this: verb plus yar plus personal suffix. Again, verb plus yar plus personal suffix. For example, the personal suffix is different from each other. Men, işle is a verb. İşle is a verb. Yer, here, this is the yer, because is a inçe, so we need to choose yer. İşle yer, then we add in. In is a personal suffix of men. Men işleyerin, I work. İşlemek with a makmek means to work. Men işleyerin, I work. The negative we use with me. Me we add right after the verb. So the suffix order in a verb would be like this: verb, negative, present simple, personal suffix. Men işlemeyerin. Men işlemeyerin. I don't work. Here, this is I in. Do not. Let's say do is yer, not me. Work, işle. I do not work. I don't work. Men işlemeyerin. In the spoken form, we say işlemek. Men işlemeyerin, well, yeah, it's also correct. It is correct, but in the spoken form, we just say men işlemek. I don't work. Sen işleyersin. İşle, yer, and the personal suffix thing. As you can see, it's a thing. Sen işleyersin. The negative with me. Sen işlemeyersin. You don't work. In the spoken form, it's different. Here it was işlemek, but here it is işlemek. Sen işlemek. So wherever you see the suffix nge, you can guess that it is about the second person. The second person singular or the second person plural. Okay. Sen işleyersin, sen işlemeyersin, sen işlemek. Now all, third person singular. All. Sen all işleyer. Here in the third person plural, third person singular, we do not have any suffix. Any suffix after the yer. We do not have any suffix. So all has no personal suffix. All işleyer. All işleyer. He, she, it works. İşlemeyer. İşlemeyer. Again, no suffix here. All işlemeyer. He, she, it doesn't work. İşlenok. İşlenok doesn't work, but in the spoken form. Biz işleyeriz. Biz işleyeriz. Biz işleyeriz. The personal suffix is if. Biz işleyeriz. We work. We work. İşlemeyeriz. Biz işlemeyeriz. Biz işlemeyeriz. We do not work, but in the negative. So the spoken form işlemzok. İşlemzok. Now siz işleyersiniz. İşleyersiniz. If you paid attention, here we also have nge and here we have nge. So with the second person singular or plural, they have nge. Siz işleyersiniz. İşlemeyersiniz. İşlemeyersiniz. You do not work. You, siz means you plural or formal way. Formal way. We use it siz in order to show the respect to someone. So siz işleyersiniz, işlemeyersiniz, and the spoken form işlenzok. The spoken form is işlenzok. İşlenzok. The next one and the last one olur. Olur işleyerler. İşle verb yer and ler. Ler is a personal suffix. Ler is also plural and it's also the personal suffix of olur after the verb. After the verb. İşleyerler. İşlemeyerler. İşlemeyerler and işlenoklar. İşlenoklar. İşlenoklar. They don't work. They don't work. Okay. Let me read one more time. Men işleyerim. Men işlemeyerim. Men işlemok. Sen işleyersin. İşlemeyersin. İşlenok. Ol işleyer. İşlemeyer. İşlenok. Biz işleyeriz. İşlemeyeriz. İşlemzok. Siz işleyersiniz. İşlemeyersiniz. İşlemzok. Olur işleyerler. İşlemeyerler. İşlenoklar. So this is yokluk spoken. This column yokluk spoken. That means the negative but in the spoken language. The negative in the spoken language. Let's get into the next slide. Mesela this is the example. Verb infinitive. Infinitive indicated with the suffixes mak, mek. Mak and mek. Gelmek means to come. Oynamak, to play. Oynamak, to play. Yaşamak, to live. Bilmek, to know. How we make it? For example, you have the verb with a makmek. That means you have an infinitive. The verb infinitive. So, in order to use the present simple, you need to remove makmek, the infinitive suffix. Then you need to use yer one of these according to the back and front vowels. İnce yok, ince kimli. And then you need to add the personal suffix. Değişiklik koşulması. Personal suffix. For example, Murat gelyer. Gel is a come. Murat, name of the boy. Gel, come. Yer, present simple. No suffix. Why? Because Murat is all. All means he. And as you can see, all, no personal suffix here. No. So, Murat gelyer. Orad Aşgabat'ta yaşayar. Orad again. Who is Orad? Is a he. Aşgabat'da yaşayar. After yar, we have no suffix because all, Orad again, all. And it has no personal suffix. Yaşayar, live. And one more thing, Aşgabat'da. If you remember, we studied with you the locative case, vartorunduşum. Da means in, on, at. Orad, live. Orad, live in Aşgabat. Orad Aşgabat'da yaşayar. Yaşamak here. Yaşamak, to live. But even in English language, we do not say Orad to live in Aşgabat. No, we say Orad lives in Aşgabat. So that's why we remove this mak and we add yar. Orad Aşgabat'ta yaşayar. Men İngilizce biliyorum. Men, it's a I. English is a English, and if you remember in the last video I explained to you the languages, the nationalities and the countries. So İngilizce means English language. English is a English, it can be English, it can be person, Englishman, it can be something English, not only language. So che, but if we say English che, that means in an English language. Bil is a know. Bilmek, to know. Bil, know. Yer, the present simple. In, personal suffix of men here. In. Men İngilizce biliyorum. I know English. That means I speak English. We say I know English. But that means I speak English. Okay, okulçular top oynayarlar. Okulçu, students, high school, secondary school, primary school students, all of them okulçular. Okulçular means plural. Top, ball. Oynamak is to play. Okulçular top oynayarlar. The students play ball. Oynayarlar. Okay. Yokluk formatı, the negative, we, as I said, make mame, yar, and personal suffix. So we remove mahmek. Çağrı is the name of the boy. Gel, come. Me is a negative. Yer is a yar. Çağrı gelmeyer. Çağrı doesn't come or is not coming. Çağrı gelenok is a spoken form. Gelenok. Oğlan kitap okumayar. Oğlan kitap okanok. Sen şehirde yaşamayarsın. Sen şehirde yaşanok. Men nemisçe bilmeyerim. Men nemisçe bilemok. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.